setting up a panel of experts to suggest an action plan to reduce darshan time at Tirumala's Lord Venkateshwara temple to 2 to 3 hours, a ban on making political statements there, procurement of superior quality ghee for laddu preparation, and transferring non-Hindus. These are some of the key decisions taken at maiden meeting of the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam (TTD) under its new chairman B.R. Naidu. The TTD is the board that manages Andhra Pradesh's Sri Venkateshwara temple. Now, the meeting was also the first after the Telugu Desam party-led NDA came to power in June. TTD Executive Officer J. Shamlal Rao said they want to explore ways to reduce the waiting time, which can sometimes be up to 20 hours for darshan of Lord Venkateshwara. To this end, the TTD will set up a panel of experts to suggest ways to decongest and streamline devotees using AI and other technology. The TTD has also decided to write to the state government to take an appropriate decision about non-Hindus working in Tirumala. The TTD warns that employees of non-Hindu faith working in the temple be rehabilitated in other government institutions or be offered VRS. This is to ensure all temple staff are aligned with the TTD's religious, spiritual values. The board has also decided to dispense with the AP Tourism Corporation's darshan quota of various states after a thorough examination of complaints regarding irregularities in the issue of special entry tickets under this category. Noting that politicians give statements or speeches after praying at the temple, the TTD board has banned such statements or speeches in Tirumala regardless of political affiliation. Rao said, and I quote, action will be taken legally if needed against such persons as well as those who propagate them. Amid concerns raised from some board members, the TTD has also decided to move all its deposit from private banks to nationalized banks. Further, the TTD is likely to float tenders again to procure superior quality of ghee to prepare prasad offerings, including the famous laddus. Now, for context, earlier this year, there was a controversy when the ruling TDP-led government raised doubts about the purity of the ingredients used in the laddu prasadam at Tirumala Venkateshwar temple. The TTD board also approved a 10% hike in cash reward for employees who rendered special services during the annual Brahmotsav held from October 4 to 13 this year. For more such stories, keep watching the Indian Express.